Hello. So I'm really excited. I got a new Ventriloquist dummy. It's used, but I got it. I'm really excited, and today's my unboxing video of it. So
yeah,
come on.
Hey, so you see,
the package is old.
yeah, because it was used, and it was shipped around. Then it was so when it was shipped around, it got way old, and it was an old box. So go over here. Yeah.
Go over here. I want to make it so you can't see the dummy, and I can see the dummy at first. So I'm not telling you.
Wait, I need to tell you something about this video. So, guys, I'm gonna whisper to us here.
Okay, so I know.
Just not fast. Don't talk fast.
So
yeah.
I'm going to. So do it on the floor. Make sure you can't see the tape very well, like where I am. Okay, so sit where I am.
Yeah, we just want a good view. See, you can see the whole box. That's a good view. Yeah. Looks easy to unbox.
Yeah, don't get.
Well, they want. I can't see though, so I'm gonna go up here.
No, you can't go.
Well, I can't see you because you're in the way. So I'm gonna have to be like over here. Okay, yeah, here.
Not packed very well.
Yeah, it's really some cheap tape that they put on there.
I got it on eBay.
Yeah. I thought eBay was kind of cheap. I mean, sorry if you like eBay. It's just.
I see it. Oh, it came with a book. I didn't know that. Look, it's kind of old because this book is used, but look how the comes in circles.
Yeah, so it doesn't come in. It's old. It didn't have a carrying case, so it doesn't come in a case. It's just loose in that
and
box.
also, it says on I told you, and you don't know what it looks like. I don't think you do. And this is a homemade Ventriloquist dummy I got on mine.
So and some of it was bought, so it's kind of cheap. Just, I'm sorry if you like eBay and I said cheap. Just, I've seen some videos of people fixing dummies out on eBay, and it's mostly eBay. So it's like, I think eBay is kind of cheap because I see a lot of people fixing.
I see it. Do you see it, Dad? I don't want you to see it.
Take a look.
Can you see anything?
Oh no.
I see it.
Is it cute? Is it scary?
No.
What upgrade is it?
In real life, it's a standard upgrade, but it's not like this.
So it's pretty much a standard upgrade. So head and body.
Look what I got! My own Ventriloquist dummy got on eBay, and it's homemade.
Why is it that thing drawn on the edge?
Oh, I don't know. But look.
Kind of looks like
standard
Darth Vader.
upgrade. But it's homemade. Homemade standard upgrade. Hello.
So what's his name? Doofus? Was that his name?
Two-Fist dinosaur.
So take a look at that book.
Oh, the book. Oh, no, we can't. No, we can't. Don't look at the book. Just don't.
Fine.
We can do something later about that book. But this is just about this guy.
So can I try him out?
Yeah, but first I want to show them how it looks. So I take this thing out.
This small hole about the size of my hand.
Yeah, size of my hand. I'll show you this. And then you pull that lever down, and see it opens the mouth.
Make some noises. See, it's making that dun 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 noise because it's hitting. It's hitting.
Oh,
because look, it's hitting that plastic, so it's like dun dun.
yeah, and you do that just to make the head turn. Like if you have a Ventriloquist dummy. This is all slappy. And I'm gonna get the standard upgrade slappy. So, and then you do that. Put his head up like if you don't really need to put his head up a lot, only if it's like or like if it's scared. you need to put his head up like. Or something like that.
Can
The
I
head
try
can
him out?
also turn like. Hey, what's in over here? Hey. You know, like, I'll show you my videos and like. Oh, hello.
So we're trying to get the standard upgrade slide.
Hello. This is the dinosaur.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, I'm fluffy.
Sorry, I'm practicing a lot.
Watch me. Can you see my mouth?
Oh yeah, it's me again. So. Can I try him out?
Sure.
So can you get the camera out?
Actually,
Now this is my brother Jack. This is my dummy. I bet you've seen me before. So stick his hand in the shirt into the hole and then. Hello. Hello. I'm the Christian dinosaur.
Oh my God.
The yellow thing in front of me. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the size, how big it is, like in size.
Oh my
So-
God. Oh my God. What the heck is that?
So I'm gonna show you some other stuff.
Oh my God. What is it?
Jack. Now I want you to.
I'm gonna show you
Oh!
the size of it.
Buy one more battery. We might need to stop.
Yeah, so it's about the size of my whole arm. I'm 7 years old, so some of you who are younger or older it might not be the size of it. It's about that long. I'm 8.
Okay,
I'm
can we
8
hurry?
years old.
The battery's getting
Yeah,
low.
so it's pretty. He's
Okay,
fast.
hurry!
So yeah, and he doesn't have any legs. So
Hurry up!
Yep, I'm done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.